Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to learn about CSS padding. So what is padding in CSS? So CSS padding properties are used to generate space around an element content. So CSS margin was also doing the same thing. It was used to generate space. So padding is also used to generate space, but it is used to create space inside any defined borders. So if your element is having a border and you want to create the space inside a border, you need to use padding, and if you want to create the space outside the border, in that case you need to use the margin. So CSS has properties for specifying the padding for each side of an element. So like the margin, in the margin we had top margin, bottom margin, left margin and right margin. So in the same way, for padding you have four different properties. So padding top, padding right, padding bottom and padding left. So let's see in our demo how we can make use of this padding properties in our HTML document. So this is my padding.html file. Inside this file I have one heading tag, and the content of this heading is Code Crush padding tutorial. Here I have one image tag. Inside this image I have used one file profile.webp, and there is another paragraph tag, and this is the content for my paragraph. So let's see how this file is currently looking like. So this is how the file looks like, current status of the file. So you have one heading tag, one image tag and one paragraph tag. So here I have padding.css file. Now let's try to add padding. So let's say I want to add this padding to the paragraph tag. So I will need to use the paragraph tag name of the element. Let's first provide the border, because the padding will be applied inside the border. So you need to use the border style. Let's say solid. Let's provide width also, border width, and the border width let's say 20 pixel. Let's save this file, and you need to link this file. So you need to make use of link tag, link, and here you need to provide the name of your CSS file. So padding.css. Let's save this and refresh the web page now. So you can see here the border is applied to your paragraph tag. Now you can see there is no space between the borders here. So you need to make use of padding property. So how you can make use of this? Let's say you want to provide here padding top. So top border I need to specify, let's say 10 pixel. Let me save this and refresh now. So you can see here some space is applied, which is of 10 pixel. So in similar ways I will apply here padding right, say 20 pixel. Now the right side will be applied the padding for 20 pixels. So right side is here, so here the 20 pixel space will be generated. So see, we are generated the space here. In similar ways now you can apply here padding left 20 pixel, and the last one padding bottom, let's say 10 pixel. Let me save this and refresh the page now. So here you can see top and bottom we have provided 10 pixels, so 10 pixel is generated, and right and left we have applied 20 pixels, so 20 pixel space is generated. So that is the use of padding. You can provide the space inside your border, so it's look better. Earlier there was no space. So what you can do, let's provide now padding to this image now. So let's create the border for this image. Let's create border style. Now we will create the dotted and border width, let's say 7 pixel. Refresh the page. So here you can see we have applied border here. So border is getting applied. Now we want to add here padding. So instead of using these four properties, what you can do, you can make use of a single property, which is a padding one, just padding, and inside you can specify the values for top, right, left and bottom. So you can provide four values here. Let's say I provide here four values as 10 pixel, 10 pixel. Let's provide 10 pixel, all 4 values. Let's see how it looks like now. So see, 10 pixel is applied here, space is getting generated. So how it's getting applied? It's basically applied the property in a clockwise way. So first one is applied to the top, which is 10 pixel, then towards the right. So all these properties are 10 pixel. After that to the bottom, and in the last it will apply to the left one. So if I change here, let's say 30, so the left one will get the space 30 pixel. So see, 30 pixel is getting generated. In same ways, if I change this one to 20, so this is applied at the bottom. So here you can see, so the bottom space is generated. So here, if you don't just provide the one single values, so that particular single value will be applied to all 4 sides. So see, all 10 pixels are getting generated. And if you provide here only 2 values, so how will it apply the space here? So first one is for the top, so it will apply 10 pixel to the top. After that you provided 30 pixel, so 30 pixel will be applied to the right, and after that you haven't provided the value, so it will take the latest value, which is the 30 pixel. So 30 pixel will be applied to your bottom and towards the left. Let's refresh the page. We close this, refresh it, Control S. See, the first one is applied 10 pixel. After that it's applying the 30 pixel. So here 30 pixel is applied, here it's still 10 pixel, and here the 30 pixel is getting applied. So what you can do, let me provide here another value 15 pixel, or let's say more value, we can say 70 pixel, and third one is 20 pixel. Now let's see how it behaves. We refresh the page. So here you can see the first one is 10 pixel, so 10 pixel is getting, after that 70 pixel, so 70 pixel is applied to the right one, and after that 20 pixel. So it's basically taking the properties from right and left. If right is specified, then it will be applied to the left one, and in similar ways if top is specified, then similar will be applied to the bottom one. If I say here 5 pixel and I don't provide the property for the bottom now, so let's see how it behaves. So see, it's applying the top one we have provided, so it's taking the same for bottom, and for right and left it's taking the same. So that is the use of padding. You can create the space inside the border. So that's it in this video. We will cover another topics of CSS in another topic. Thank you for watching.